Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 5, Shapes and Pictures in MS Word part 2. In this video we are going to study about adding drawings, change a shape, group selected shapes, adjust the size of the shape, add flowchart with connectors, etc. So let's begin. Adding drawing. Click in your documents where you want to create the drawing. On the Insert tab in the Illustration group, click Shapes. You can do any one of the following on the Format tab, which appears after you insert a shape and then click somewhere in the documents. To insert a shape in your document, click in your document where you want to create the drawing. After that, click on Insert tab, then go on Illustration group. Children, this is the picture of Illustration group. In Illustration group, click on Shape option. This is the Shape option, Illustration group. From Shape option, insert any one shape in your document. Then you can do any one of the following on the Format tab, which appears after you insert a shape and then click somewhere in the document. Insert a shape. Let us know, children, how to insert a shape in a document. On the Format tab in the Insert Shapes group, click a shape and then click somewhere in the documents. To insert a shape in your document, go on the Format tab in the Insert group. This is the Format tab. Click on the Format tab, then go on the Insert group. This is the Insert group. From Insert group, click a shape and then click somewhere in the document. In this way, you can insert shape in your document. Adding drawing. Change a shape. Let us know, children, how to change the shape in your document. Click the shape you want to change on the Format tab in the Insert Shapes group. Click Edit Shape, point to Change Shape and then choose a different shape. First, children, click the shape you want to change in the document. Then, with the help of mouse, click on the Format tab. Then go on the Insert Shapes group. This part is called the Insert Shape group. Then in Insert Shape group, click on Edit Shape option. Then point to Change Shape. This is the Change Shape tool. And then choose a different shape from the Change Shape tool. And in this way, you can change a shape in your document. Now let us know, children, about the add text to a shape. Click the shape where you want text. Select Add Text option from Insert Shapes and then you type text. Look at this picture, children. This is the shape. Click the shape where you want text. After that, select Add Text option from Insert Shapes. This is the Insert tab. And this part is called the Insert Shapes tool. From the Insert Shapes tool, select Add Text option. This is the Add Text option. Click on this Add Text option and then you type text in the shape. In this way, you can add text to a shape in the document. Group selected shapes. Select several shapes at a time by pressing Ctrl key on your keyboard and clicking each shape you want to include in the group. Look at this picture, children. Look at this picture, children. With the help of Ctrl key and clicking each shape you want to include in the group, select all the shapes at a time. After that, on the Format tab in the Arrange group, this is the Format tab. Then let us move your cursor on the Arrange group. This is the Arrange group option. Select the group option. When you select the group option, what is the use of this group option? It joins two or more selected objects together, so they will be treated as a one object. In this way, you can select all the shapes at a time and you can move all the shapes which are treated as a one object. Drawing the document. On the Format tab in the Insert Shapes group, expand the Shapes option, clicking the arrow. Under lines, click Freedom or Scribbles. Look at this picture, children. This is the Format tab. Click on the Format tab first, and this part is called Insert Shapes group. Expand the Shapes option, clicking the arrow. This is the Line option. From this Line option, select. If you want to select Freedom tool, select the Freedom tool, or if you want to select Scribble tool, select the Scribble tool. This is a Scribble tool and this is the Freedom tool. That's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.